Have you ever made a game? Select Prop Mode. Open the Prop Gallery. Select the Characters tab to filter your view. Choose any character you want to be your hero. Left-click to place open the Brain Editor. Welcome to the Brain Editor, where the magic all code statements are divided into a when side. Let's start with a blank. Select the plus. To select the controls, select the keyboard, select the W. Now this line of code will execute when select the plus. Select the move. Select the move. You've written your first line of code. Select the back arrow to exit the brain edit. Tap the top arrow to open the pause menu. Press W, A, S, and D to see what happens. When you're done testing, press Escape. Select Edit to return. Select your hero. Open the Brain Editor. Let's give your hero the ability. Select the plus. This is the tile picker. Select the control. Select which key should make your hero jump. Select the plus. To add it, select the movement. Select the jump. The line you just wrote says when. However, your hero will jump constantly if that. This will be a modifier. Select the plus. To select the this means your hero will only your hero's brain is missing one. Select the plus. Select the next arrow. Select the camera folder. Select the follow because the when side of this. Let's try out your select the back arrow. The play button is a shortcut that try jumping and moving the mouse to control the camera. When you're done testing, press Escape. Select your hero. Open the Brain Editor. Let's make your hero attack. When you click select the plus. To select the control, select the mouse, select the left, select the plus. To select the combat, select the attack. Now your hero will attack. Let's make your hero do a select the plus. To add a top, select the controls, select the mouse, select the right mouse, select the plus. To add, select the combat, select the shoot time. Now your hero will shoot when you click. Time to test out your code again. Select the back arrow, select the play button to click the left and right mouse buttons to see what happens. When you're done testing, press Escape. Well, now that you've made yourself a hero, you need an adversary for your new powers. Let's create an enemy. Let's pick an enemy from the prop. Prop mode is how you add interesting objects. The prop palette below contains the most recently. Select the goblin from the prop. Left click to place the prop in your world. Instead of coding a brain from scratch, open the Brain Editor. Normally this goblin would come. Select the gears. The brain options menu can select the brain. Welcome to the Brain Gallery. Each brain can be dropped into any object. Your collection will grow with each content. Now let's find and drop. Click on the search box in the upper right and type enemy. Select enemy brain to watch. Select the back arrow to exit the brain op. Select the back arrow to exit the Brain Editor. Select the play button to test your level. Press Escape when you're done testing. Amazing! You've conquered basic programming and created a stalwart hero and some fearsome enemies. Great! You've created a hero and an enemy, but they need a world to adventure in. Let's use sculpting, painting, and a mountain is your next. Select Sculpt mode. The first step to sculpting an incredible. Use the WASD keys to move the camera left. Use the Q and E keys. Hold down the right mouse button and move the mouse to orbit the camera around your cursor's current position. Press the R and F keys to zoom the camera in. Select the Center on Player button to recenter the camera at any time. Now that you've got the hang of the camera, go start creating. Mold your world in Sculpt mode. Here you can modify to sculpt Hold the left mouse button and move. This is the expand. This tool expands the terrain. You're off to a good start, but this will go a lot faster with drag the slider to change the size of your brush. Or keep expanding until your mountain is lofty and majestic. Click here when you're done. The expand brush is great for adding terrain, but sometimes you need to carve it away. Every sculpt brush has two. The erode brush reduces the terrain it touches. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the brush across your mountain. Don't worry about making mistakes. It's really safe to experiment and try new things in Project Spark, because it's really easy to undo those actions. Click the arrow buttons on either. You can also, let's reduce your brush's intensity. Drag the intensity slider to use both the expand and erode. Click here when you're done. Let's add some color to your mouse. Select the paint. Ah yes, paint mode. Hold the left mouse to paint. Hold the left mouse button as you move your brush over the terrain. Paint until your mountain is vivid and awe-inspiring. Click here when you're done. You've made an interesting landscape, but how will your hero? It's time to make a path. Select the second material. Drag the slider to change the size of your brush. Now paint over the terrain with your ground. Click here when you're done. Alright, now it's time. Let's replace this slot. Open the Materials Gallery. This is the Paint Gallery. It contains all of the different materials you can use in your work. Choose a material, then click the back arrow. Paint a path to connect all of the elements. Click here when you're done. Great path. Select Prop Mode. Open the Prop Gallery. This is the prop gallery. You can filter your view by prop type. Select the coin prop. Left-click to place the prop in your world. The options surrounding this prop will let you change its more coins equals more fun. Change an object's behavior. This is also where you select clone to left-click to place as many coins around your world as you want. When you're done, press Escape to exit clone mode. Almost done, but your path. Open the Prop Gallery. Click on the search box in the upper. Pick a tree to add to your world. Left-click to place the prop in your... Not bad, but how about drag the scale icon to click here when you're done. Drag the green rotate icon. Click here when you're done. Now that it's bigger, click here when you're done. Awesome job. You're going to create open the Prop Gallery. Click on the search box. Select the village flag. Left-click to place the prop in your world. We'll make a brain for the flag that will do two things. Open the brain editor. First, we have to detect when.